What is the San Andreas Fault? The San Andreas Fault is a fault line that
The San
extends for
Andreas Fault
about
is the
600
most famous
miles
fault
through
in
the
the
length of
world.
coastal
The San
California.
Andreas Fault
The
is a
San Andreas
place
Fault
where
is about
tectonic plates
28 million
touch
years old.
the North
It
American
forms a
and
tectonic
Pacific
boundary
plates.
between the Pacific Plate and the North
Alfred
American
Wegener
Plate, which
noticed that the
causes
west
formation of
coast of
earthquakes.
Europe and
It is
Africa
named
had
after
more or
San
less
Andreas
the same
Lake,
shape
a small
as
body of
eastern
water
North and
that was
South
formed in a
America.
valley between the
In
two plates.
1960,
The
Harry West
largest
and Robert
historical
Diaz
earthquake that
put the
occurred
pieces
along the San
together and
Andreas
showed
Fault
Wegener
were
was
those in
right,
1857
placing the
and
idea of
1906.
plate tectonics on
The San
solid
Francisco
facts.
earthquake and fire of April 18, 1906 took
The
about
California
700
earthquake
lives
of
and caused millions of
April 18,
dollars worth
1906
of
ranks
damage in
as one of the
California
most
from Eureka
significant
southward
earthquakes of all
to
time.
Salinas and
At
beyond.
almost precisely 5:12 a.m.
What
local
is the
time,
San
a
Andreas Fault?
foreshock occurred with
The San
sufficient
Andreas
force
Fault is
to
a fault
be
line that
felt
extends
widely
for
throughout
about
the San
600
Francisco
miles
Bay
through the
Area.
length of coastal
The
California.
earthquake and fires
The San
killed
Andreas
an
Fault is
estimate
about
of
28
3,000
million
people
years old.
and left half of
It
the
forms a
city's
tectonic boundary
400,000
between the
residents
Pacific
homeless.
Plate and the North
The
American
great
Plate,
earthquake
which
broke
causes
loose
formation of
some to
earthquakes.
20 to 25
It is
seconds
named
later,
after San
with an
Andreas Lake,
epicenter
a
near San
small body of
Francisco.
water that was
Violent
formed in a
shocks
valley between the
punctuated
two
the
plates.
strong shaking,
The
which
largest
lasted some
historical earthquake that occurred
45
along the
to
San
60
Andreas Fault
seconds.
were
In
those
the
in
public's mind, this
1857 and
earthquake is perhaps
1906.
remembered most
The
of
San Francisco
for the
earthquake and
fire it
fire of
produced in San
April 18,
Francisco.
1906
Shaking was
took
equally
about
severe.
700 lives and caused millions of dollars worth of
Scientists have
damage in
learned that the
California
Earth's
from
crust is
Eureka
fractured into
southward
a series
to
of plates
Salinas
that
and
have been
beyond.
moving very slowly over the Earth's surface for
What is
millions
the
of
San
years.
Andreas Fault?
Tectonic plates
The
move
San
around
Andreas
on the
Fault
Earth's
is a fault
surface
line
at a
that
rate of
extends
a
for
few
about
centimeters
600
per year.
miles through the length of
Two of
coastal
these moving
California.
plates meet in
The San
western
Andreas Fault
California.
is about
The
28
boundary
million
between
years
them is
old.
the San Andreas
It
Fault.
forms a
The
tectonic
San
boundary
Andreas is the
between the
master of
Pacific
faults
Plate
of an
and the North
intricate
American
fault
Plate,
network that
which
cuts through
causes
rock
formation of
of the
earthquakes.
California coastal
It is
region.
named after San Andreas
If new
Lake,
crust is
a small
created,
body
then
of
it
water
must be
that was
destroyed
formed in a
somewhere.
valley between the two
Crust is
plates.
consumed in
The
subduction
largest
zones.
historical
When two
earthquake that
plates move
occurred along
together,
the San
one of
Andreas
them must
Fault
slide
were
under
those
the
in
other one. That is
1857 and
called subduction.
1906. The San
Subduction is
Francisco
one of the
earthquake
main
and fire
causes
of
of earthquakes.
April 18, 1906 took about 700 lives and caused millions of dollars worth of damage in California from Eureka
This
southward
series of
to
block
Salinas
diagrams
and
shows
beyond.
how the subduction zone along the west coast
What
of
is the
North
San
America
Andreas Fault?
transformed into the San
The
Andreas
San
Fault
Andreas Fault
from
is a
30
fault line
million
that
years ago
extends
to the
for
present.
about 600 miles
Starting at
through the
30
length of
million years
coastal
ago, the
California.
westward
The San Andreas
moving
Fault is
North
about
American
28
plate
million
began to
years old.
override the spreading
It
ridge
forms a
between the
tectonic
Farallon
boundary
Plate and
between
the
the
Pacific
Pacific
Plate.
Plate and the
By
North
20
American
million
Plate,
years ago,
which
two
causes
triple
formation of
junctions
earthquakes.
began to migrate
It is
north
named
and
after
south
San
along the
Andreas Lake,
western margin
a
of the
small
west
body of
coast.
water that was formed in a valley
Today, the
between the two
North
plates.
American plate
The
is
largest historical earthquake that occurred along the San Andreas Fault
completely
were those in
covered by the North
1857
American
and
plate.
1906.